Oh hi, welcome back to my channel. This came in yesterday and I have not opened it, so this is a mystery box for me. I wanted to unbox this with you guys. I have my scissors ready. The Nykaa Pink Love Sale. This is the Valentine's Day sale. I'm figuring out where should I open this from. It has a lot of bubble wrap and it's very heavy. This is the outer packaging. Oh, this is the box. Oh my god. It's pink and it says Nykaa Pink Love Sale. It's red and pink. I love this box. Thank you, Nykaa, for sending this. There we have a lot of bubble wrap. Oh my god. They have this for some reason. Let me show you the box. This is all the products that I can see inside the box. Pink Love Sale box that we have. Oh, by the way, I always know there are people who watch my videos but never comment. If you've never commented on any of my videos, I don't want you to do anything but want you to drop like a heart emoji, any heart emoji in the comments. It's fine if you don't, but please do. I mean, if you want to. I just want to know about your existence. Now let's move on to this box. The sale goes live today from the 9th. I'm gonna walk you through each and every product that I received. At the end of the video, I do have like a few recommendations for you if you want to shop anything. The rest, I have so many recommendations video already done on my channel. I've done one very recently, so you can watch all of that if you want more recommendations. First, we have this Pink Love Sale card. This time I really do like what I see because I see a lot of extra and very new things. Cute sticker sheet which looks like this. Looks like they've sent it to a child. This is cute. The first thing that I see is a CeraVe moisturizing cream. This is for dry to very dry skin. I already have this product. You know, so many things I see. Recorded a whole clip and it did not get recorded. That's nice. Socks. Most of the products that I see here are restocks for me, like these ones. I already have these and Nykaa always somehow know that, which I'm not complaining about. But since we are talking about moisturizers, this is the second moisturizer that I got. It's of the same size. I have the same one. I wasn't sure if I'm gonna buy it again, even though I love it. It's a huge tube. This is the Bioderma Atoderm Creme. This is a really nice thick moisturizing creamy moisturizer. It's very hydrating, so I love this. Is another restock. I have like 3-4 bottles of this already. This is the Plum EDP in Smoking Vanilla. I know this is a bestseller. I'm gonna keep buying this, so this one is great. Then I see the Revlon Color Stroke Eyeliner Kajal. It's the KBD one. I think I received like a black one earlier, and this is in the shade green. So I know this is a good product, so I will recommend this one. This is the Character Artist Makeup Paris Creamy Matte Lip Color. It's a very pretty pink. This is a very pretty pink. I don't use liquid lipstick, so I'm probably going to give this a hair growth serum. This is by Soul Flower. This is the hair growth density serum. Again, something that I might give it to somebody. I'm not opening any of these products because I'm either going to give this to somebody, maybe use some for myself and put in the giveaway also. So I'm not going to be opening. And what I see here is a hair mask. This Streaks Vitalrich Care. This is a dry to damaged hair. I haven't used anything from them. I've used the serums, but I haven't used anything like this before. Nice serum. This is how it looks like. The next thing that I see is a makeup product. They sent so many makeup this time. Yeah, because last time I remember I received a lot of skincare and hair care. This time I see a lot of makeup. So this is a Sugar Pore Minimizing Primer. I don't use pore minimizing primers. This is how it looks like. It's been so long I haven't tried anything from Sugar. Then I have this Love Earth Multi-Pot lip and cheek tint. It's a blush lip eyelid palette. They have like 1, 2, 3, 8 shades. I want to open it and see it, but I also don't want to open it because I know if I do, I won't be able to use it by myself. Eyeliner from Colorbar. It's a waterproof liquid liner. Oh, it's really cute and tiny. It's cute. I might keep this. Oh, but its tip is not a very fine. It's really travel friendly. आजकल मुझे सिर्फ travel friendly चीजें पसंद आती हैं. The next product is something that I'm so excited about because I have used it and I love it. This is the Charmasi's eyeshadow. This is the Star Bomb eyeshadow. I hope this is not the shade that I already have. It is 005. Okay, no, this is a different one. It has like green shifts to it. I hope you can see it. It's so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. These eyeshadows are so good. So good. These are wow. I have 4 products and it's all body care. There isn't any Nykaa box with a huge ass body wash. I received Itna Bara body wash last time. I still have it. Another one. This is the Pears brightening body wash. Pomegranate. They like pura saal ka stock बेचते हैं. इनका ये ritual है that I haven't seen before. This is a perfume. I never get perfume. This is cool. This is the Flamboyance EDP Perform, and this. Should I smell it? I should. Through these nights, I prefer hiding in plain sight. Oh, this bottle is so cute. This is how the bottle looks like. Okay, but doesn't look like a perfume bottle. It smells nice. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like pepper and like spicy. This isn't bad. It's nice. But it'll take me some time to figure out if I like it or not. Cute little bag. This is the most adorable thing in the box. This is really cute. 2 products. This is the L'Oreal's Extenso Care. This is how it looks like. It's a glass bottle shampoo. This is how it looks like. Let me know if you've used. Let me know actually if you've used any of these products so I can get like an idea how this performs. मुझे बहुत चाहिए था hair serum, so I got it. Then I have a body butter from the Body Shop. This is the Body Shop. I have used Body Shop body butters before, but not this one. It smells flowery. Nice. It's cute. This is how it looks like. I have nothing left here. That is the end. Sorry, this is not the end. It's not this. So those are all the products I received in the box. Now I have a few recommendations. This face wash was love at first sight for me. This is the Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C face wash. You know, this is that creamy face wash. Like, I feel like when you apply this, it feels like a moisturizer and less like a cleanser. It's so hydrating and you just need like the tiniest amount. This kind of reminds me of my Face Shop foaming cleanser, pink one. So moisturizing. I feel like I've just washed my face with a moisturizer. It's so hydrating. I really do like it. I would highly recommend this, especially if you have dry skin. Would work for all skin types. The days when I have worn makeup and I want to double cleansing, this is really my second step when I want to use a face wash, and I've been using this every single day because I've been wearing makeup almost every single day. This, if you're looking for a foaming cleanser that thoroughly cleanses your skin, I would highly recommend this product. Actually, this is like a very viral product, but I have done a collab with them recently, but I still do really like it. This is the golden one, and I haven't tried the pink one. This is the serum in lotion, and this feels like I'm applying a serum and not a lotion again. It hydrates, but the best thing is that it's so lightweight and it just gets absorbed right into my body. So I love to use this on my legs because it does give a very nice sheen also. Will recommend that if you use this when you go out, definitely use a sunscreen. Is some kind of sale in these Laneige lip sleeping masks. Please grab them. I have like 3 variants with me right now. Berry, this is almost over, and that I got in a set. I will link that set for you if it's still available. This is sweet candy and vanilla. I love vanilla. Vanilla is my favorite. If these are on discount, definitely grab it. I've cracked a code. The dupe not dupe, but I found an alternative for this because this smells 99% exactly like this one. Got these minis. I'm not sure if these are easy to find, but almost identical, and these are very lightweight when you use it on your body. So plum vanilla caramel body lotion, this is the new launch, and if you are looking for a dupe for the boom boom cream, this is it. Recommendation is an often Victoria's Secret body lotions. This smells out of this world. Their Pure Seduction, the original before, and I really do love how fruity and expensive it smells. This is something that I got like a while back. This is the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction Luxe. They have like different variations to this one, and this one smells so good. It does have that original Pure Seduction fragrance, but even more better than that. What I love about these lotions is that they have like a tic tac thing like this. Fragrance that these lotions have smells incredible, but it also is very long lasting. If there is any kind of 40-50% off on their lotions, you need to run. Something that I'd highly recommend. I have done so many recommendation videos in the past. I will link all of those for you in the description box, and if you're a silent viewer, leave a heart emoji. I'd love to see that. We'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.